Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, it has been such a hot minute since I've done this, but we are going to be battling my Ipsy PR versus my Ipsy paid for box. You guys want to see what the difference between PR and paid for is, what my thoughts are? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I am so excited. It's been so long since I've done like a PR battle versus paid for. I don't know why I don't do that often. I think it's just because my PR comes in so early versus my paid for. So that's probably why I don't get to do this series that often, but I'm so excited that we get to do it today. I know I'm going to get asked this question, what I'm wearing like today for sweater wise. Guys, I just want to let you guys know, I buy all my clothes from Target. Okay, I live at Target, okay? I get all my clothes there. I love Target clothes. I got this from Target. I freaking love it. And I know I'm also gonna get asked what I'm wearing on my lips, so I'm kind of wearing a lot. I'm wearing the Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is the coffee liner, so I'm wearing this liner. Then I put on the shade Be Bold. Then I put on the shade Empowered. And then I put on the shade Nudie. And then I also put on a Lunar Beauty and the shade Luna on top. So I'm wearing like 4 different lip products right now to achieve like the nudie fall look that I'm going for. But I think it's great. I love how it looks. So with that said, guys, we're going to go ahead and dive straight on in. And I hope you guys are excited because today marks day 10 of Vlog-O-Ween. This series has been so much fun to do. I'm so glad you guys are enjoying it. So we're going to go ahead and just dive straight on into my PR box. So if you guys don't know, for my PR box, I do get the basic and the plus. So I do get the like $12 one and then the $25 one. Or did those prices go up for those ones too? I think you guys told me that Ipsy went up in prices as well. I don't know what's with these subscription boxes going up in prices, but this is my PR. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this one first, and then we're gonna open up my paid for. Now, I've been very adamant in letting you guys know that I've been really enjoying my paid for more than my actual PR, because at least with my paid for, I get a lot of makeup items that I get to choose compared to like PR where it's mostly just skincare. So we're definitely gonna be putting this to the test, see which one's better. Alrighty, so this is how my box comes, by the way. So that's why it's so hard for me to tell what comes in the $12 bag versus what comes in like the $25 bag, because unfortunately they're just kind of scattered in here, so I never know. So here we have this little makeup bag right here. I think this bag is so freaking cute. I do love the little vampiric lips with the little teeth and the green on the inside. It definitely represents Halloween. I love this makeup bag. I just wish they would do these bags for the $25 boxes. I don't know why they don't. I know some of you guys really do enjoy the Sammy sacks. You guys said that you guys can put shoes in there. You could put like skincare in there, you could put like little mini stuff in there. Like, I totally see where you guys are coming from, but I don't know, if I'm paying like $25, I want a bag. All right, so the first thing we got is from Quay. This is a detox shampooing detox. I like that they like kind of repeat themselves. I see this brand all the time at Ulta. I've never actually tried this brand for their hair products. Oh my God. That smells truly incredible. Wow, okay, I'm going to have to give this a try. Hopefully it's good on my hair because I'm getting my hair done this week because I literally get married next Monday. This says that this is a concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar, which will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil, and impurities, which I can use today because my hair is dirty. So that's actually cool. And next we got a Tatcha. Oh, this is the Dewy skin cream. So unfortunately, I won't be able to try this because I'm really oily, so this would not cater to my skin type, but I'll definitely put this on a No Waste Wednesday. Tatcha's really, really good. They have great products. Ugh, smells divine. I just wish I could use it. All right, next we have something from Rena Beauty. This is a Guilty Pleasure. This looks to be a lip gloss. And this is how the gloss looks. This is definitely a full-size nudie gloss. Okay, that's really cool. Never heard of that brand. All right, next we got something from MTU NYC. This is an eye primer, full size. And then we also got okay, that's cute. I really like that. I like how this bag literally has a lot of makeup in it. I really have been liking their $12 compared to their freaking $25. Their $12 have been really good. All right, that's awesome. Okay, cool. All right, moving on to the $25 box. The first thing that we see is so it's not an eye product, but this is from Dermalect. This is a Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And this is a potent yet gentle anti-age serum, and it is an overnight treatment that revitalizes dull-looking skin. It helps focus on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores, and it's great for age spots and uneven skin tone. I guess that's cool. Next, we got a Buddha. This is a vitamin C serum. Your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. It says, get a more radiant and smoother complexion with our proprietary mix of retexturizing vitamin C. This is just to help improve the appearance of dark spots. Okay. Oh my gosh. We got a detoxifying charcoal and body scrub from the Theory Body. This is exfoliant for your body. Okay. Then we got something from Murad. This is a renewing eye cream. Oh my god, I honestly, it's getting to the point now where I'm not even bothered saying my opinions on getting eye creams, because every time I do, and I feel like I have to explain myself every time, because people in the comment section are saying, well, prevention's key, you should enjoy it, do it now, and they always give me shit because I'm honest about receiving this much eye cream. Guys, I literally get I pay for my own boxes. Not only do I get PR from both Ipsy and Boxy, I pay for each one. So I get duplicate items every single month. I consistently do giveaways with them. I don't need this much eye cream, especially since it literally takes over 21 days plus to even see any sort of difference on your skin. And when you get them every single month, it's really hard to try out the products to see what's really working and what's not. So I'm just not going to respond to those comments anymore. I'm not going to justify myself. I just get way too many of these. I don't need them. So it is what it is. And I'm just allowed to joke and have fun. Guys, it's not serious. Just relax. It's okay. Like, I'm allowed to joke and have fun. But we got another renewing eye cream. I think this is a mini, so I think this probably belongs in like the $12 bag. But yay. This is all skincare. Okay, so next we got something from Jekka Block. This is Play Pots. This is vegan and cruelty free. This is Golden Touch Shimmer Finish. Cream pigment for eyes, lips, and cheeks. What is this? Oh, it looks like this. It's for eyes, lips, and cheeks. Very interesting. Okay, cool. All right, next we got something from El Maquillage. This is the High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. I definitely have received this before, so I'm going to put this in a No Waste Wednesday as well. Not a bad product. And then we have... What is this? What is this? What am I supposed to do with this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Plus our little Santa sack right here. Little ho 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 bitches. All right. Well, I can safely say I don't know what the heck this is. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. I can safely say that I do not like my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is all skincare. Like, I got 2 makeup items and 4 skincare products. And you guys know how I feel about receiving this much skincare. I want to sign up for these boxes because I want to get makeup. I don't want to get a lot of skincare. So, unfortunately, I do not like this box at all. I do enjoy my little $12 bag. I'm finding lately by opening up these, I've been doing this now for over a year, being on Ipsy's PR. I'm finding that I'm enjoying the $12 one way more than the $25 one, and that's really sad. That's really sad. So I'm definitely putting a lot of these items into the No Waste Wednesday, so it definitely goes to a good home, but man. All right, next we have my paid for Ipsy. We have little Santa sack, and the first thing we have is something from Real Her. You Are Golden. This is a powder wear ombre bronzer. Ooh, now one of the things I do enjoy about the paid for one is that you get to have your own customization. So you get to pick out 3 of the 5 items. You are limited on what you could pick out, but I do appreciate the fact that you still get to have that option. I do wish Boxy would do that just a little bit more. But here is the You Are Golden Ombre Bronzer. So it definitely has some reflex in it. So it has like some shimmer. But that's actually really pretty though. Okay, that's awesome. That's cool. All right, next we have something from Wonder. Oh, this is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Staycation Hydrating Mask. I really do enjoy Wonder Beauty, but this is going to be a hydrating mask. It looks just like this. I think I've gotten something very similar to this before, and this is a mask that just hydrates the skin. Okay, cool. And next we got something from VizArt. This is going to be the Petite Pro Un Palette. Oh my God, first off, this is actually super cute. Look at that little fancy. Oh, definitely not my colors, but I really do enjoy how tiny and petite that is. That is actually really cute. Oh my God, I love how tiny this is. This is super cute. That's actually really cute. All right, next we have something from Rowan. This is Cake Lash. This is in Black Noir. I don't think I've actually tried any of their mascaras before. Ooh, okay. I definitely think I can work with that one. Oh, that's nice. Definitely have to give that a try. All right, and this last but not least, we do have the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum again. So definitely be putting this one into a No Waste Wednesday. So looking at my paid for, I love the fact that there's 3 makeup items and then 2 skincare items. See, that's what I look for. I look for like a nice even balance where it's like a 3-to-2 ratio. I really appreciate that. So honestly, looking at the 2 boxes, I would hands down say that my paid for box was way better than my PR box. I just noticed as of lately, just my PR just hasn't been that great, but I rather show you guys the truth and tell you guys the truth that I just haven't really been enjoying my PR box. And you know, at the end of the day, I know some of you guys in the comment sections are like, you should be appreciative. It's not that I'm not appreciative, it's just that I'm honest. Like, I'm honest, and I still view these boxes as a paid for customer because I'm still a paying customer. So I generally don't like to get that much skincare, so I'm gonna voice my opinion on it. Doesn't mean I'm not appreciative, it's just I'm being honest. So I would definitely say that my paid for box is way better than my PR box. So definitely stay tuned to the end of the month because I'll be having a lot of these items into my No Waste Wednesday. But yeah, guys, that is a quick unboxing, super fast, super quick. Hopefully you guys like this video. I know it's so short, but I just feel like there's only so much I can do. And I know a lot of you guys have asked me if I could do try-ons in the video. It's just hard when I don't get that many products, and I don't want to just try on the product and then never use it again because I just feel like that's so wasteful. I rather just give it to you guys if I know I'm just not going to get a use out of it or I'm not really interested in trying it. So hopefully you guys can understand. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day in the month of Vlog-O-Ween. Make sure you guys check out my other channel. It's Art for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything, and to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hey guys, guys, it has been such a hot minute since I've done. This is my paid for, so we're gonna go ahead and dive straight into this one first, and then we're gonna open up this